Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can disable the touch sounds and or haptic feedback or any you can see when I just touch this you can see the touch sounds. You can see how can I remove it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the settings option, and here you can see there is an advanced feature. Click on screenshot and screen recording. You can see there, and then you can see there is a show taps and touches. You have to just turn it off like this, and you can see, and now there is no tap is, you can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.